Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to add music to your Instagram story. Let's start. So, back in the days, I remember that, you could just only share photos and it's just only about photos for Instagram. But when it has evolved into like something amazing, they also added the feature in there where you could actually not only edit your stories, your posts, but pretty much you could add music. So bear in mind, guys, that not all music are available in all regions. So there may be possibilities of this music will be available in United States, but when you actually go to Asian countries, it might not be available. So there are cases like that. So much about that. Now we'll show you how to add music on your Instagram story. So from there, say for example, I'll just click for the most recent story I posted. So at the bottom part of the page, it says create. Just tap on that one and you could actually select the music just below says suggested audio. So say I will choose feel good, hit on arrow next. You could actually hear the it would already have like a preview of what the music would sound like. Now in case you wanted to change it again, at the upper part of the page there's like a music icon, right, just below the 3 stars. Click on that one. And from here, you could select, the like, all other audio. Now, bear in mind that there are also tons of ways for you to, add sound effects. You could actually do a voiceover. Most of the time, this is done if there's someone who would like to feature something, or if an influencer, this is what they commonly use. But say for instance, I would want to choose, cute tail. So from there, I could also like, edit like which part of the song I would like to include that. When it's done, just hit on next. So when you post your story, okay, they would be able to hear the music that you added in it. Okay? So I hope you learned something today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.